in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Locations: Eastern Plymouth County. Hazard types: blizzard winds down this evening. Accumulations: 18 to 24 inches with localized 30-inch amounts. Timing: heavy snow bands come to an end between 8 and 10 p.m. and blizzard conditions will gradually subside by late evening. Impacts: heavy snow and gusty winds will result in blizzard conditions with near zero visibility at times. Travel will be very difficult across the entire region this evening. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds, or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour, are expected with considerable falling and shore blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. All unnecessary travel is discouraged. This is a serious life-threatening storm. Winter storm warning now in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Locations: portions of western and central Massachusetts. This includes the sites and towns of Charlemont, Greenfield, Orange, Berry, Fitchburg, Chesterfield, Blandford, Amherst, Northampton, Springfield, and Ayr. Hazard types: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations: the accumulating snow has come to end. However, blowing and drifting snow will continue this evening, resulting in hazardous travel. Impacts: untreated roads will remain snow-covered and slippery. Blowing and drifting snow is also expected, which will result in poor visibility at times. Winds, north 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. A winter storm warning is issued when an average of 6 or more inches of snow is expected in a 12-hour period, or for 8 or more inches in a 24-hour period. Travel will be slow at best on well-treated surfaces, and quite difficult on heavy unplowed or untreated surfaces. Winter storm warning in effect until 10